Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Amazon Prime step by step clearly. To save with Amazon Prime, start by signing up for a membership on the Amazon website. Visit the Amazon homepage and click on the Try Prime button. Choose the membership plan that suits you best, monthly or yearly. Once you join, take advantage of the free trial if you're a new member. After signing up, explore the Prime benefits waiting for you. Begin with free shipping on eligible items, which can save you on delivery costs. Utilize Prime Day, an annual shopping event offering exclusive deals to Prime members. Search for Lightning Deals, which provide time-limited discounts on popular products. Check the Prime Wardrobe service to save on clothing without upfront costs. Use Amazon Family to access additional discounts on baby products and family essentials. Browse Prime Video for exclusive access to movies and make use of Prime Music for access to over 2 million songs without additional cost. Take advantage of Amazon Photos, which offers unlimited photo storage as part of your membership. Keep an eye out for special promotions and discounts available exclusively to Prime members. Consider sharing your Prime account with another adult in your household to maximize benefits. Explore Prime Reading to save on books, magazines, and comics with a rotating selection. Take full advantage of all these features to maximize your savings with Amazon Prime. Each benefit not only enhances your shopping experience but also contributes to overall savings. Remember to regularly review your Amazon account for any personalized deals or rewards that may apply to you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.